Greetings. Baseball. The game of baseball, its challenges, and the skills required, while understanding its relevance to personal development and improvement in management skills. We will explore the importance of baseball in honing life skills and uncover the secrets to achieving success both on and off the field. In a world of ever changing trends and technologies, certain sports have managed to stand the test of time. Baseball, often referred as America's pastime, has captured the hearts of millions worldwide. Beyond its surface level appeal, baseball offers numerous benefits in terms of personal growth, development, and honing essential management skills. Let us look into the intricacies of this game and uncover the valuable life lessons it teaches, it imparts. Understanding the game of baseball. Baseball is a fascinating sport and it involves two teams of nine players each. And the primary objective is to score runs by hitting a ball thrown by the opposing team's pitcher with a bat. On the field, players strive to catch the ball, tag opponents, and make strategic plays to prevent the opposing team from scoring. The game progresses through a series of innings, with each team taking turns for batting and fielding. So, what are the challenges and skills required? Baseball presents a unique set of challenges that require players to foster specific skills to achieve success. From batting techniques to fielding powers, players must work tirelessly to refine their abilities. Skills such as hand to eye coordination, agility, spatial awareness, teamwork, and communication are crucial for excelling in the game of baseball. Additionally, the mental aspect of the game, including focus, resilience, and the ability to adapt to varying game situations, plays a very important role. Relevance to personal development. Baseball instills numerous life skills that extend well beyond the boundaries of a baseball diamond. The sport teaches the players the value of discipline, perseverance, and hard work. With every swing of the bat or dive to catch a ball, players learn to embrace failures, analyze strengths and weaknesses, and develop a growth mindset. Baseball cultivates a sense of responsibility, accountability, and the ability to work collaboratively as a team towards a common goal. So, what is the importance of these in management skills? The intricate nature of the baseball translates seamlessly into the development of various management skills. Understanding the importance of strategy, decision making, and critical thinking are essentials on and off the field. Baseball fosters effective communication, both verbal and non-verbal, enhancing interpersonal skills required for successful leadership. Managing a team or a project becomes intuitive as players learn the nuances of teamwork, delegation, and handling pressure situations. The impact on personal improvement. Beyond the physical and the mental skills developed, baseball has the power to shape individuals into well rounded individuals with a strong work ethic and a goal oriented mindset. The lessons learned from facing challenges head on, overcoming setbacks, and celebrating successes lead to personal growth and improvement. Whether it is be facing a difficult assignment or tackling obstacles in everyday life, the valuable experiences gained from baseball help individuals become resilient, adaptable, and driven towards achieving their goals. Baseball is not just a game, it serves as a training ground for personal development and improvement in management skills. So let's review. Discover the world of baseball, its significance and relevance in American culture. The game's management lessons offer valuable insight for personal development. And it is America's favorite pastime. It has been captivating millions of fans. Baseball is more than just a game. And the top skills, hand-eye coordination, agility and speed, pitching powers, teamwork and communication, and focus and concentration. These are the important skills required. What are the management lessons? Strategy and planning. Similar to game management, personal and professional growth also requires strategic planning. Adaptability. Baseball conditions change rapidly because and similar to the dynamic nature of business environment. Flexibility is the key. Leadership. Captains and coaches play a vital role in baseball, emphasizing the significance of strong leadership skills in any endeavor. Resilience. Baseball teaches resilience by bouncing back from failures and striving for improvement. Decision making. Split second decisions on the field mirror the importance of decision making in life and business. So, what are the takeaways? You should embrace teamwork and collaborate. Learn to adapt and thrive in a dynamic environment. Cultivate strong leadership skills. Develop resilience to overcome obstacles. Make calculated decisions under pressure. So, in conclusion, baseball is not only a sport, it's deeply ingrained in American culture. By understanding the top skills required, extracting management lessons, and implementing takeaways in your professional development, personal development, you'll find inspiration from this timeless game. Thank you.